One sunny morning, a girl named Aisha sat on the park bench, looking sad. Her favorite book lay closed in her lap. Aisha thinking, why does everything go wrong in my life? She had failed an important exam. Tears rolled down her cheeks as she whispered, maybe I'm just not good enough. Just then, a small bird landed near her feet. Its wings were weak, and it looked injured. Aisha surprised. Oh no, you're hurt! She gently picked it up and said softly, don't worry, little one, I'll help you. She took the bird home, made a tiny nest in a basket, and gave it water. Days passed and the bird slowly healed. Every morning, Aisha would talk to it. See, you're getting stronger. If you can try, so can I. One day, the bird chirped loudly and flapped its wings. Aisha smiling, you're ready to fly.